There's nothing more special than spending a day on the slopes with one of your favorite little ones. I have some tricks and tips that are going to help make your day successful and enjoyable for all. So first we have to get the equipment on. I like to assist just so that I know it's on properly. So toe in, Zoe step down, and we're in. So to move Zoe, my little friend, to the lift, I'm going to offer her a pole, but I'm going to give her the handle of my pole to hold on to. Her skis are going to remain in parallel, and I'm just going to pull her along. It's a free ride, easy to transport them where you need to go. So my little one has tipped over. There's two ways of getting her up. Under both arms, I pick her up, and the other way is Zoe, give me a great big bear hug. Up she comes, ready to go again. I look forward to meeting you on the slopes. From Snow Valley, I'm Pamela DeSera.